Alright, sorry. I just jumped out. The burp jumped out.
Off Netflix. Like, don't watch it. Yeah.
Ugh. What? I don't know why a burp came out. I thought I was gonna laugh. I thought it was supposed to be a laugh.
It's so cold. Oh, why is it so cold? Oh. Okay, let's do it.
Up to her seance room. Up to her seance room.
And Lovato. If it was me.
Like, yeah, his place. He knew us too. He's like the sweetest person. I'm such a lady.
I'm sorry for that, y'all.
23 flavors, know what I'm saying?
Yep, true. Or.
I didn't even do that.
Hey, story time. When we were.
No. Whoa. Oh, y'all knew I had a burp. I'm not trying.
You think you're better than me? You think you're better than me? You're not my real dad. You're barely my real mom. I'm not even sad we broke up. I've moved on. I had a son. He fell down a manhole. He's dead. So I'm pretty available. Just let me know if you want to see anybody or whatever. This is basically like real life Tinder. You think you're better than me though?
Oh my god!
That always gets her.
I knew you were gonna do it. I knew you were gonna
Here. And I wouldn't really call it
Vengeance. Remember, that was not planned.